just got the rugged 9mm in, the Obsidian 9, and we have the Obsidian 45 from other videos. So today we're just going to shoot them side by side on a Glock 21 and a Glock 17, both of the full size. They're both subsonic reloads, so using the same powder, so it's about a fair comparison as you can have about what a 9mm sounds like versus a 45 ACP suppressed. This one's a 45, this one's the 9. Do it again. This time they're in the short configurations, and you can see how much of a difference that makes on the 9 versus the 45. So this one's 45, this one's 9mm. They actually sound about the same to me. I mean, obviously there's a heck of a lot of difference, but this one's definitely hearing safe with 45, this one's definitely hearing safe with 9. We're going to do the same thing with the CMMG Guard. This is 45 ACP, this one's the 9mm. These are still both in short configuration. This time just the 9mm to make it a little easier, but now you kind of have a comparison if you've already got a rugged. So Obsidian 9mm again on the Guard 9mm by CMMG, and this time in full configuration. I got a Springfield 9mm and Glock 17 9mm. This is the Obsidian 45 in short. This is the Obsidian 9 in short. So this is more for all the people that already have an Obsidian 45, wondering if it's worth to buy both. Just to show you that on your 9 it sounds good in both. Sounds good in both. This one's the most fun part about the new rugged 9 because this is on the Glock 43. So it's a really tiny package overall. One thing to let everybody know, rugged is supposed to be releasing a internally threaded piston soon, or internal shoulder piston soon for the 43, the ones that have a soft shoulder barrel. But they don't have it out yet. So right now I'm using the Silencer Co. soft shoulder piston. It's the same dimensions as the rugged. It actually works pretty well. Fun, we'll shoot it one time long on the 43.